Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to play team PK on Poppo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. Next step, you have to go live on Poppo Live. Alright, so I'm live right now. So what I have to do next in order for me to play a team PK is to look at the bottom area of my screen. I'll see this PK icon showing right here. Right, all I have to do is to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see this settings icon at the top right corner of this window. Right, so what you have to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, here you're going to select a few options. First one is your PK bar effect. All right, so go ahead and select that. The next one is the punishment effect. What kind of punishment effect do you want for your opponent? Go ahead and select that. Next is the duration of the PK. Make sure that is selected, and then at the bottom area you find 1 versus 1, friends PK and team PK. Make sure you select team PK and then click on this back arrow showing at the top right corner of this window right here. Right, so go ahead and click on that back arrow. After that, make sure you select team PK just like this, and then if you have some friends who are live on Poppo, you are going to see them appearing right here. But if you don't, make sure you select the recommended option right there. Once that is selected, you are going to see some recommended people who you can play PK with. So just go ahead and click invite. Click on the invite button. Once they accept your invite, you'll be able to play a PK match with these people. So guys, this is how you can actually play a team PK on Poppo Live. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.